is exactly 10:05, and I pulled this out. I think I left it in. I forgot about it. But it went off, but you know, I guess the steam made it a little bit more, what do you call it? Because it feels really rough. Uh-oh. Ooh, this is that cheap paper from, I'm not going to beat them up, the dollar store, unless I put it on the wrong side. I think I just left it in there too long. Come on, don't tear up on me like that. Okay. So, almost look like a sausage. Well, I don't want to eat paper anyway, so I'm just gonna let that come off. Yeah, I left it in there just a little bit too long. It's really rough. I forgot, I got carried away. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. I have to get some foil. That would have worked better. You guys know always something I don't have, because I don't like groceries. I don't like shopping. I gotta get into the hang of that. So you can see that it is a little hard, and this has to be fried. Hope it's not too I don't know what that's gonna taste like. That's what it looked like. It needs some salt. I can taste the fennel. Hold on. Sorry about that, you guys. It tastes pretty good. I really do. I like it. I don't know how well you can see it. To me, it looks like it's yellow. Moving you over. Not bad. So I'm going to wrap that up. I'll take some slices off, and hopefully the bread will come out right. You know, I have this mixer. Hold on, I'll show it to you guys. I have this hand mixer, which I really need one of those mixers that you sit on the, you know, a kitchen aid. Yes, I do. But I bought these because these are supposed to be dough, but they don't fit. I don't remember if I ever used them, but I'm going to try to use them if I hold it down. Otherwise, I have to knead it 150 times. But if I can get these things to work here, I only have to knead the dough 50 times. So, wish me luck. It is 11:09, and I will be back, hopefully, with the bread cooled off and making a little sandwich. Okay, you guys, I am back. I did my dough, and what I found out is, like I said, that was this on this bottle is the month and the day, and I don't know why I didn't put the year, but the yeast in the package was expired in 2016. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I did like that it was I already had it pre-packed. So at this point, we will take this dough and let it rise, and now take this dough and oh, it's nice and soft. That's very good. It was a little dry. And we have one more time to let it sit, and that's for 30 minutes. The time is, oh, I can't tell because I have the oven on. It's almost 11 o'clock, I know that much. And then we put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Last time I rolled it out, I think she said you don't have to do that unless you want to. So we have the pan. She didn't say grease the pan here, so I'm gonna grease it. It looks really small. I know I had a bigger pan than that. And then you take it and just roll it up. Oh, I didn't put any flour on the board. She said just a little bit, but you know what? This was so dry. I don't know, maybe because the flour is a little old. Oh, there's a little crack there. Okay. Well, how that's gonna turn out, y'all. We will see how this loaf go, but I think I'll do it again. You know, it's, oh yeah, I remember now. I think I'm supposed to take it and fold it like that on each end. Put it like that. Hope that it rise. I'll say, okay, so we are gonna cover this up again. Yeah. And hope that it rise. 30 minutes. And then after that, 30 minutes in the oven. Okay, you guys, the timer is going off. Let's see if it risen to, not really. I didn't think it was. It's supposed to be like a, over the pan like an inch. I don't see that happening. Let's give it a few more minutes and then I'll put it in the oven. I'll put it in the oven. Give it a few more minutes since that yeast was a little bit old and I forgot to put the egg in. If I didn't tell you at the very last minute, I was like, oh yeah, the egg. And so I had to work it in. So I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes, put it in the oven, and we'll be back. Okay, back again. Our time is up. I'm not gonna do it again. Let's cut that light on. See what it looked like. Did it raise a little bit more? Not really. Okay, well, this is gonna be a flat bread. Hope it's edible. 30 minutes in the oven, y'all. 30 minutes in the oven, y'all. Okay. Go. I gotta clean my oven out. No judgment here. I know I'm just clean pots in it. I don't even know how I got dirty. Okay. So, okay, you guys, it is 1:17, so 1:20, and I'm just now eating. There's our bread. And we are going to make our sandwich. I have only a little that's left. Thank goodness. That lasts forever. I don't like that brand. I like the one from Whole Foods better. Let's see how this is cool. There we go. A little warm. Yeah, I don't think that oops. There we go. Nice and warm. Let me get that big. See if I can cut this thing in here. There we go. Got my sandwich. Oops. Okay, there's my bread. I know it doesn't taste like it, like the one I made in the past, because I can tell it doesn't, I'm sleepy, y'all. I'm gonna put this up, refrigerator. There we go. Little sandwich. Little bread fell apart. It's nice and soft. I've got some bell pepper here that I stir fried a little bit. A little lettuce. Some avocado. And that's it, y'all. I got my sandwich. 2022 bread. It seems so when I was making it, I was thinking of my husband, because I was making it for him, and I'm like, it's doing stuff for me now, you know. It's a change. I'll let you guys go. I'm very tired. Probably won't eat all this. Probably just eat that. There go our sandwich. And let's see how it tastes. Let me see. It looks good. Presentation. Very good. Let me get out of 10 for now. Taste. Good. Very good. So, see y'all. I'm so sleepy. Bye-bye. Be good to yourself. You. If you could do something for somebody else, definitely try it. Good night.